All right, we just got out of a really great lecture, the science lecture, a lot of the cutting edge science, some really interesting scientists and participants. We had Dr. Cooper, Boo, which is a really interesting company. What they do is they're deep into combining different ratios, terpenes, different cannabinoids. You may or may not know that there's 88 known cannabinoids and growing. So THC is a cannabinoid. CBD is a cannabinoid. There's at least 86, and they probably discovered one today while I'm speaking. Right, so what these guys do is they take different cannabinoid profiles, they bring them together, and they claim that they can create different effects like calm, like energy, like creativity. So kind of a big deal. And then we had another guy, Dr. Bao Lei, who was from BAS Research. He had some interesting comments. I don't really know what they do. But anyway, it was a really good panel. They really got into testing and how testing is challenging, I guess you could say, to say the least. So a guy gave a great example. He was like, all right. He's like, we had a known cannabinoid profile. It was 80% X. It was 10% Y. It was 5% Z. And we sent that to 7 testing labs across the state of Colorado, all state licensed labs. Well, guess what? The results were way all over the place. Anywhere from the 80% was anywhere from 68 to 107. How do you get 107? I'm not really sure. But the point is testing is still kind of a mess in the industry. It's kind of good to know, and it's important that the companies that you work with test their products. So it's called a COA, Certificate of Authenticity. And if you're working with a real cannabis company, like Melior Botanicals, that company will be getting COAs and they can provide them to you. Okay, so that's kind of a really important aspect of the industry is, are they guys that are just making a CBD product? They learned about it on YouTube and they're doing it, but they have no access to a testing lab. They don't even, that's a really important part of the industry. So this is Dan from Melior Botanicals, and I'm not going to sign off. I'm going to go into a different topic. Well, maybe I will sign off. I'll come back.